everyone. What a great day this is in Redlands. We have people turning around that love the community. They're pitching in to make the place look great and also prepare for the future. So my hat's off to everyone working today. It's warm, it's not as hot as it could be, so that's great. But I see a lot of smiling faces, people seeing people for the first time they haven't seen in over a year because of the pandemic. Redlands is strong and they're turning out. Thank you, everyone.
You don't want to get five. You got that right, yeah. Shows? Yes. Hey, thank you, sir. We are Redlands!
We are Redlands strong. We are so happy to be here at the Redlands Sports Park painting the fences. We've got over 145 people here and they're making the city look beautiful.
We love our town.
Hi, yeah, we're just, love the opportunity to be out here just to help out as much as we can. So, yeah, we love Redlands.
We love Redlands and we love working with all of the community members here too. Keep it nice.
I love Redlands because it gets hot and we get to go in the pool and eat ice cream. Redlands rocks. I love Redlands because I was born in Redlands.
We are
Thank you to all our volunteers from Redlands Noon Kiwanis.